How are you doing, guys? Back into these kata training tips, or pattern tips, you say. I'm sticking with Chon. I've got one more for you, and it's at the very, very end of the pattern, okay? So, imagine, we're in Chon. We have done all of the first half, okay? We have done pretty much all of the second, okay? We're about to do our final turn, okay? It's about the punches at the end, okay? So, before you turn to the front for the final time to do the last 5 moves of Chon, count them 5, not 2, okay? I am in my punch. I am right foot forward, I am right hand out. Right-handed punch goes under left armpit. I do big turn into my back stance for my middle block. Okay, now I'm going to move back, otherwise I'm going to fall off the end of my decking. Okay. Once you are in that middle block, your brain should immediately go punches 2 and 2. Think what rabbit ears it. You have to. I don't care how you think about it. Okay. People get really muddled on the punch at the end when they learn this for some reason. Okay. They suddenly think it's middle block and then 3 punches and then 1, or 3 and 3, or 1 and 1, or just do what? Yeah. They get really muddled. It's 2 and 2. 1 off each leg. 1 off each arm. That's it. Okay, so from that punch here we'll come round into our back stance. Okay, once we're in that middle block, you'll counter resets. 2 punches forwards, 1, 2, 2 punches back, 1, 2, and they are all front stance. All of them. Okay, if I do that from the side, and I don't want to confuse anybody, but okay, if this was that punch where I spin. Okay, if that's my last middle block, the one that I've just done that way, imagine you're looking at this from the side. It will go from this middle block, front stance, 1 punch forwards, 2 punch forwards, 1 punch back, 2 punch back. Okay, as soon as you hit that middle block, it is a 2 and a 2. Nothing else, not a 3 and a 3, not a 1 and a 1, not a 2 and a 1, not a 3 and a 5 and an 8 and a 9. Yeah, that's the detail. Once you've spun round and you're here, bam, 2 punches forwards, 2 punches back, all the punches are still in the front stance, even though you're going backwards, still in the front stance. Okay, that's tip 2.